BS Philosophy, 18 years old, and I only do paintings and drawings for hobby.
Wow, that's good to hear from you, Andre. So, kumusta ka naman? How's life so far?
So life's just good as always. It just keeps getting better.
Through the fire.
Yes, certainly.
Yes.
So that's very good to know, Andre, and Camila, Luther, thank you for, we are very grateful July naman dito sa ating talk show, and I hope you will enjoy our class.
Yes, naman. So, we're very excited to talk more about your artworks. And to do that, may Q&A portion tayo. Dito lang yan sa ating art and conversation.
So for our next question, guys, okay? So, here it goes. Paano or kailan mo napag-desisyonan na ang painting ang nagiging lifetime commitment mo that you wanted to do it for the rest of your life?
But I think I could say na i-commit na ako to draw. But I do hope so because I want to become a writer. But for now, just a spark of a moment. Gusto ko mag-draw. Gusto ko mag-paint.
Wow, that was very interesting. And art is subjective. Karamihan sa atin we appreciate art. We're just looking at it. And it looks pleasing in our eyes. That's why I appreciate painters and artists. And they're so very fascinating kasi they don't just do, but rather make their own art.
Yes, so for partner, I do agree about your response. What about you guys? Viva Mato, and diba, like we look, we view art in a different ways.
Yes, I agree.
Feel mo ko yung
So, Andre, next question is, what is your unique creative process? Like, say mo, mga special ways of works in art.
I am grateful